Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this class. In this class I will discuss second theorem which is called perpendicular axis theorem in moment of inertia. It is also a useful theorem, but uh, this theorem is applicable only for bodies in the form of plane sheet or two-dimensional bodies. This is the statement of the perpendicular axis theorem. I will explain what is the meaning of this statement. Suppose we have a plane sheet like this, and we consider an axis, a rotation axis lying in the plane of the lamina like this, and another rotation axis again lying in the plane of the lamina but perpendicular to the previous rotation axis. Let Ix is the moment of inertia about this axis, and Iy is the moment of inertia of the lamina about this vertical axis. Now we consider a third rotation axis that is perpendicular to the lamina and passing through the point of intersection of the previous two rotation axes. This is the point of intersection of this x and y, and this rotation axis I is passing through the point of intersection. Then according to the theorem, I will be equal to Ix plus Iy. Now I will discuss the proof of this theorem. The proof is very simple. We consider a point mass Mi on the lamina. Suppose we consider this as x-axis and this as y-axis. Then this distance is the x-coordinate of that Mi, and this distance is the y-coordinate of Mi. Suppose this distance, that is from the point of intersection of all the three rotation axes to Mi, that is this distance, suppose that is equal to Ri, then Mi is at a distance Ri from the rotation axis I. Therefore moment of inertia can be written as sigma Mi Ri square, where sum has to be carried out over all the point particles of the lamina. And from this diagram you can see that this Ri square is equal to xi square plus yi square. This distance is also xi. So using Pythagoras theorem, xi square plus yi square will be this Ri square. So Ri can be substituted as xi square plus yi square. So this can be written as two terms, sigma Mi xi square plus sigma Mi yi square, and sigma Mi xi square, and xi is the distance between mass and this vertical axis. So sigma Mi xi square will be this Iy, the moment of inertia Iy, and yi is the distance between mass Mi and x-axis. This is the x-axis. Distance between Mi and x-axis is yi. So sigma Mi yi square will be equal to moment of inertia about x-axis, that is Ix. So I is equal to Iy plus Ix. That is the perpendicular axis theorem.